tutorial on how to use your Gemini, your Google Gemini. So most people use Gemini like a chatbot. Today in the tutorial, I will show you 7 hidden Gemini tricks that can save hours of work and make you look like a productivity genius. So this is the Gemini, and if you don't have it, you can download it on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So I'll be clicking on the Gemini app now. So as you can see, this is Gemini. Gemini can do a lot of things like create images, create music, canvas, deep research, and guided learning, and a lot more. So I will be showing you 7 tricks on what you can use your Google Gemini on. One is to summarize. You can use Google Gemini to summarize YouTube videos, turn notes into presentations. You can use it to analyze your PDFs, write professional emails, generate images, research complex topics, even to create content ideas instantly. Create content ideas meaning that you can use it for your YouTube automation, to create prompts to generate for your YouTube automation, which should be very good. Now, we shall be starting with number 1, which is to summarize a long YouTube video. So if you want to summarize a long YouTube video, all you have to do is click on this plus sign. You go to your gallery. You can go to your gallery, then you just upload a video and it's going to summarize it for you. For example, a 45-minute business video becomes a 1-minute summary in which you don't have to download an app or you don't have to stress yourself for it to showcase it to you. So Gemini will analyze this for you and everything as well. So the second one is PDF. You also click on the plus button. You go to your drive. If you have a PDF, you want to upload your PDF, then it's going to analyze this for you as well and make it easier for you with no stress. You can even say that if you explain a document, that PDF document that you upload, you can tell Gemini to explain it for you and make it easier for you to learn. So, and not just that, Gemini can write professional emails prompts. For example, I can write a professional email requesting a job interview. All I just have to do is just write it there, then telling the Google Gemini to write it for me, requesting for a job interview. So Google Gemini can do a lot of stuff that we don't probably know. Like, it can also generate images. Like I said, Google Gemini can do a lot of things. Like if I tell Google Gemini to create an image, I can just click on it, create an image. I can say, create a realistic golden retriever sitting on a beach at sunset. Let's see what Google Gemini is going to do with this image I told it to generate. Let's see what it's going to do. So you can see it's creating your image. You can use Google Gemini to create your images for your YouTube automation, which is very perfect for it. And not that you can just also use this to create images. You can use this for your YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, social media content, marketing materials. It will do everything. You can see the Google Gemini has created a golden retriever and which is looking so perfect. Now, I can tell Google Gemini to turn this to a YouTube thumbnail. Change it to a YouTube thumbnail. Let's see what's going to do again. You can see Google Gemini can be used for a lot of generation of images. So it's loading. So I think this is because of the network. So we are going to tell Google Gemini to try it again. So it's creating the image. So you can see this now. Google Gemini just create a YouTube thumbnail using the what? Using the golden retriever. My perfect beach day. This is how perfect it is. So you can use this. That's the image. That's how Google Gemini can create an image for you. So other aspects, you can even tell Google Gemini to create music. For you. All you need to do is just describe your track and it's going to do that. Not just that, Google Gemini can also be used for your deep research. Deep research in an extent that, for example, maybe you are doing research on an electric vehicle. Let's say research electric vehicles and compare the top 5 brands. Let's see what it's going to do with that now. So I think it's the network as well. So we have to trade. You see now? You see that Google Gemini has did the research for us. Do you see? You can see it. See, you can see it yourself. So once I start, so you are either ready in a few, you can either edit the plan or let's start the research. Can you see that? So Google Gemini can be used for a lot of things that you don't even know. And if you are the type that is based on YouTube, automation, you can tell Google Gemini to give you 50 YouTube video ideas for your animal content YouTube automation, for your tech YouTube automation. For an example, let's ask, give me 50 YouTube video ideas for a dog content, for a tech content. So it's loading. So you can see it's out. So I hope you can see that. So Gemini is good for a lot of your daily life activities, and which is going to make it more easier for you. And with this Gemini, you can use it to generate a lot of prompts, which is going to help you for the week content ideas. So I hope with this, you have gained more about what Gemini can do. Although most people think Gemini is just another chatbot, but if you are only using it to ask simple questions, you are missing some of its most powerful features. Which of these tricks surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.